Can you imagine how evolution happened and what they were doing at that time? Pre-industrial age. The media used before 1700. Take a look at the video as we all can witness people at that age. Uses iron for carving on the wall. This is the way to communicate during those days. Or shall we say the media used during those times? Industrial age. The media used before 1700 to 1930s. One of the media used during this age is the manufacturing of various products, including books, for example, newspaper. Electronic age. The electronic age is the media used from 1930s to 1980s, and this is television, where we get the news. Information age. The media used during 1900 to 2000. The media that we use up until this day. An example of this is social media such as Instagram and Facebook. Messenger is a type of media we can see, and we use the example in this picture. And that's it. I hope you learned. Thank you for watching.